it and look, it says police on it. You can barely see it, but it said police on it. I doubt they're looking for somebody. The reason why I say that is because if they were, don't you think that I would have heard police sirens down below or a lot of commotion? There are cameras everywhere here. So, yeah, I'm not buying that they're really looking for somebody. Why is, well, I'm not going to give any ideas, but they're probably getting ready to come back. Watch. Nothing to do on a Friday night. So they're trying to make some plans, I guess, to busy up their time and to put in some overtime. You can probably hear them in the distance. They're probably waiting for me to start recording so they can fly past again.